Yeah, there's two kind of words of wisdom that have been left with me that I kind of like to carry with me every day. The first, they kind of echo each other. The first is actually from somebody I hope you'll have as a future guest. Heath Kreiser with BR Kreider Excavating.
Oh, yeah.
Every time I talk to him, he tells me, Sam, just keep your foot on the gas. Just gas pedal all the way. Just mash it to the floor. Don't let up. Let's just go get it. Let's get after it. Let's get it done. Do as much as I can, as quickly as I can. Not be a ramrod, but like, let's do it. Let's get after it. And I was listening to the Farming for Profit podcast, and they had a guy on it that was a NASCAR pit boss, one of the, for the pit crews. Or whatever. Yeah. And they kind of said, like, what's the one piece of advice you'd leave or say if you had to give advice? And he said, fail fast and fail forward.
I love that.
And I heard it. I'm like, wait a second. That's cool.
That is cool.
It was catchy. It was catchy to begin with. And I started thinking about it, like, yeah, the faster you fail, the faster you learn. As long as you're failing forward, it's not really a failure. It's a learning experience. I have a ton of small failures in the right direction than it is to have one big colossal failure.
And send you backwards.
Right. So just keep failing as often
as you have that foot on the gas.
Right. Don't stop.
I think that's how you
keep moving forward. That's
how you fail forward. You just keep your foot on the gas.
Yeah, you just keep going forward. Pick yourself back up and get back after it.